Hello, my name is Mike Sinteff with Pet Stop in North Georgia. I'm doing a series of videos for you that introduces to you the advanced technology offered by the Pet Stop perimeter dog fence. Pet Stop is the only commercial American-made product on the market and is the most technologically advanced system. I'd like to give an explanation of that technology, starting with the Pet Stop boundary system. The wire is installed on your property approximately 6 inches deep. I have installations as small as 1/8 of an acre, which would be like a townhouse, all the way up to over 50. The signal can be transmitted off of this wire that goes around the property from as narrow as a foot on very narrow lots, small lots, 1/8 of an acre, all the way up to a 30-foot or more distance if needed, depending on the size of the installation. The Pet Stop system is the most programmable on the market. As you look at this field, you can see that a zone is set up, and that zone is made of 2 levels. The first level is the smart zone. When the dog enters the smart zone, the collar activates based on one of over 8,000 programming options to let the dog know, whoa, 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 you're moving in the wrong direction. This is a warning, turn around now. In the training of the dog, they learn that when the collar beeps, they turn around and go back towards the house and guaranteed not to breach the fence. Then, if the dog is determined and has a high prey drive or a high ball drive and wants to chase the squirrel or the bird or the rabbit, and the dog steps into the fail-safe zone, then the collar activates, and it activates at a level that prevents the dog from breaching the fence. The more determined the dog is, the stronger the pulse value is going to be. If the dog's propensity to chase a squirrel is a 7 out of 10, then the pulse value has to be a 9 out of 10. So it's strong enough and punitive enough that we can guarantee the dog does not breach the fence. And so the technology that we're talking about allows the collar to activate in 80 milliseconds. What that simply means is the dog cannot be fast enough to run through the fence or breach it and leave your property. Pet Stop offers the fastest activation in the industry at 80 milliseconds. We also have the most programmable collars on the market. The relationship between our collars and the signal coming off of the wire is generated by our state-of-the-art computer transmitter called an OT300. That OT300 is fully programmable, and it is communicating a signal onto the wire. That signal is picked up by the dog's collar, and then the collar activates the way we programmed it, ensuring that if your dog is as small as 2.5 pounds, or if your dog is over 200 pounds, ensures that the dog will be contained in as gentle a fashion as possible if you're only 2.5 pounds, or as strong as possible if you're a dog that is approaching that 100 to 200 pound range and you have a high ball drive or a high prey drive and you're just bent on leaving the yard. The Pet Stop system guarantees to keep your dog safely contained. Wanted to take just a few moments to share with you what the technology difference is in our industry-leading underground pet fence system. I appreciate you taking the time to listen to this presentation. Feel free to give us a call at 404-536-6770. Again, my name is Mike Sinteff with Pet Stop of North Georgia. We can be reached at 404-536-6770. Thank you. Try the Pet Stop fence. We provide a fence that is safer by design,